Hello, I am Mitul Sutar.
And I'm Krishna Kanaya, and in this video we will be looking into customizing Helm releases. So first look at the set flag for customizing the Helm releases. Mitul, what does the set flag exactly do?
So the set flag behaves just like it behaved in install command. You provide key value pairs to the flag and it will customize your releases. So in order to take a look into the set flag, first we will install a release into our Kubernetes cluster. I am going to install the WordPress chart and going to provide the name as WordPress 01, and the version we are going to use is 9.2.3, and the name of our blog I'm going to provide as Helming Blog. So let's install this release. So after it's finished installing, we can see that it created a first revision here, and if we can verify the values of this release by providing the command helm get values, then we will see that only one value has been provided, which is WordPress blog name. Now if we want to test the set flag, all we have to do is upgrade, name of our release WordPress 01, name of our chart, and then we have to specify in the set flag what value we would like to customize. Since we already customized the blog name, if I provide again blog name, it is going to override the value that was previously provided. But here let's try to customize the email address, so we will see what happens to our blog name. So I'm going to say admin at example.com, and I'm going to say example2. Now if I don't provide any further flags, and if I run this command, then we will see that the Happy Helming blog title has been replaced by the default chart value. And if we do the values again, helm get values, we will see that only email is being retained. The WordPress blog name was reset to the original one, and we can see that as well. If I do helm get all WordPress 01, so here we can see that the name of the blog name has been reset to user's blog, and only the admin's email address was set.
Okay, so is there any flag which can help me preserving the old values which I have set?
Yeah, so typically you want to preserve your older values. You don't want to keep supplying all of them all the time again. So the way to do is in conjunction to the set flag, what you can do is you can use the flag called reuse values. The way it works is that, let's say we are trying to upgrade our release again. Now I want to retain my email address as admin at example2.com, but I would like to customize my name of the blog. I'm changing the name to New World Blog, for example, and we would like to retain our email address. So the flag is reuse values. This will reuse the old value of the email, and it is just going to customize the blog name. So this has created another revision. We will see all value. Now we can see that the blog name has been changed, but the email address is still the same that we provided in earlier command.
Okay, so what if I don't want to use my custom values and just want to reset all the values for my release?
So when you say reset values, what do you mean by that? Can you clarify?
By reset, I means they're all the default values which are there in the chart. So suppose I install or release, I set the email as abc at example.com, and when I upgrade, I don't want that abc. I just want it to the default value which is there in the chart.
So in order to do that, the flag is the reset values. Earlier we looked at reuse values. This one is called reset values. This will reset all your custom values that you provided, and it will use the chart's default values. So if I run this, it will create another revision, and then by using the helm get all command, we'll be able to see that it switched back to all the old values. Helm get all, name of the release WordPress 01. So it is completed execution. So we can see that the chat value has been changed. So the WordPress email key, the value has been reset to user at example.com, and the name of the blog has been changed to user's blog.
Okay. So what happens if I try to upgrade a release which is not existing in my cluster?
So if we try to list all of our releases, so I have WordPress 01 as the chart installed in my cluster. So if I try to upgrade something as WordPress 02, then it is going to fail. So upgrade WordPress 02, and I say like upgrade my chart, that doesn't exist.
I think it should be 02 instead of 01.
Oops, sorry. So if you upgrade this chart, then it says upgrade failed. A way to overcome this is that you can provide a flag called I. This will install the release if the release does not exist. It says release does not exist, and it is installing now. And if we do helm ls a, then we can see all of our releases.
What if I install a different chart on my existing release? So I right now I have WordPress 1 which has bitnami WordPress installed on it, and I try to upgrade and use maybe bitnami MariaDB to upgrade. In that scenario, will it throw any error or will it just upgrade?
So instead of WordPress, you are saying that what if I install MariaDB on top of WordPress? What will happen?
Right, right.
So in this case, it is going to remove the WordPress installation, and it is going to create a new release that has MariaDB configured.
Okay.
So if we go and do Helm history and then say WordPress 01, we can see that we have created 6 revisions. All the 5 were on WordPress, and the last one was on MariaDB. So we have to be very careful when we are upgrading a chart. We want to make sure that we are not changing the name of the chart to something else.